of a centerpiece right there. All right, and then also this beauty is also have the bigger centerpiece here. The purpose of it doing it so then is prevent from getting all of this metal turning to tarnish, so we can still have a really nice, because wash hand, doing a lot of cleanings, a lot of like hand sanitizing is will able to affect that. So then we want to make sure they are last. So I close the brush on the bristle part off. So now I'm going to remove the red cap and using it, and I'm gonna using the needles to as the tool to just doing a little bit of like running around areas, and then check on, see if you have any scratchy. If it's scratchy, this means that it's missing of some condensed glue gels. And the no web top coat, we're gonna go ahead and seals it in, like feels just a little bit. Each time you're gonna using just little go a long way. However, if you need it extra, like for instance, if you after we clear this one, and then my client's like, Nancy, it's keep catching on my hair. So if it does, you go ahead and key it first 30 seconds, and then you're gonna squeeze a little bit more of where is going to catching on the client's hair and the clothes, and you can seal it again. Make sure you can seal this more than one time, but make sure each layer you seals, you are going to flash key it for 30 seconds to make sure that they're not like flooded everywhere. All right, so Diamond Dust Pixie is supposed to feel a little bit texture. So if the clients don't want a textures, I don't know, a lot of clients will do they coat it on. Most of my clients, like pretty much 100% of my clients, is not going to seal it because they want the texture and the sparkle from it. So it feels really cool because in the needle part, I am going to using it to seal around, which is just really cool because you can still seal the metal part, and also you go in between the crystal, and each time you're gonna squeeze just that much little go a long way. This is gonna be too great. Whether you doing it for your clients will be really happy and feel so confident when they're wearing the crystal, because like, oh, I love it, it looks so gorgeous, but it's only catching my thing, catching in my hair, my clothes. So with this bestie, you will definitely can ensure this all the crystal will last up to 4 to 6 weeks, and also the clients will feel, of course they're gonna feel the texture of the crystal, the metal piece, centerpieces, but they're not feeling it's gonna catching anywhere. So texture, but then they can still enjoying it and without worry about catching on their hair and their clothes. So I already sealed on the metal part, but now I'm gonna seal around the crystal right here to even double secure. It's gonna last longer. Seals all my beads, and then metal frame that you see that I go into the metal frame, I seals it, and then we're gonna go one straight like down here for the Diamond Dust Pixie to make sure they are got really double secure. So maybe the nail's gonna come off first before your Diamond Dust Pixie or your crystal placement is coming off. Some seals in the gap if you need to, absolutely. And now happy here for 60 seconds. So you can notice that my heart's a little bit off from the side because that's what I want, for just a little bit of a diagnose on this.